Hey guys, so today is going to be a fun tutorial. It's going to be about how to get buttcoins, and this one's a pretty fun one. The first way to do it is basically through a promo code machine, which is pretty easy. I think I might have a picture right there. I don't know anywhere, yeah. The first way is promo codes, and these only appear sometimes. Some are permanent, some are not. There is also chests, which is the best way to get Yeeps coins. Community worlds. I would rather chests and then community worlds. Maybe, I don't know. But I'm going to show you some chests in this Yeeps game, but yeah, let's go. Okay, first up we have I'm going to be doing blue house first. Anyway, first we got this chest right here, just on top of the map, and let's go see if we can find any more. Come on. Let's see. Any more? I'm pretty sure there's one upstairs. I'm gonna be hunting for these, by the way. Maybe in here? Here? Nope. Ah! Oh, there's one. Here's one right here, right where the place is with the thingy thing. Yeah, I don't know. Man, there was one in the oven, I'm pretty sure. No, none here. Let's see. It's been a while since I tried to find chests. Oh, I think there's one in here. Bro. Ah! Huh. You see any? Oh! Hey guys, look. Here's one. Right here. If you tap on the mushroom, you will get it. Let's get out because it's really dark and I cannot see anything there. Let's see. Okay. Oops, that was a hard throw. Don't think there's any down there. Let's see. No, there's none here. I think those are all of the ones I know here. So, I guess. Oh wait, okay, there might be one or two more here. I think there used to be one here. I'm not sure if it's still there. And then there's this hidden thing right here. If you come in, look, and you can see that there is this happy guy. If you press on his nose button, and then he gets happy. Okay. Okay, fine. I'm just gonna do the cool way. What? Dude. Okay, I'm gonna need more cotton. Okay, that's enough cotton. Let's go. Wait! Ah! May have overshot that one. Fine, it's fine. Perfect. There used to be a chest here. Yeah, there used to be chests around. That's weird. Okay. then let's go to the next map. Woohoo! If you guys come over here, and you'll see that we're in starter house. Here we go. We got a free chest right here, right next to the other map. Let's see if we can find any more. It's gotta be somewhere. Oh, maybe inside the taco truck. What? Woohoo! Maybe here? It doesn't look like there's any here. Okay. Maybe not. I think they're closer. Oh man, that's sad. Ouch. I bet there's one. What? Oh yeah? Dang it, there's no one here. One under here? No. Here? Wow, there's no one here. Oh, I have an idea. There's gotta be one up here. Come on. Huh? Let's go help this guy. I'm not really sure if this is helping him. Run! Okay. Oh! Look, guys. It's Happy Guy. If you tap on him, he'll give you some buttcoins. Alright, let's see if we can find any more. What? No. Okay, I guess that's all of the ones I found, so yeah, let's go over here, come on. What? I bet you guys didn't know that you could do this. And that makes it so that the next one has to be parkour now, because of that. Alright, let's go to the next one and okay, so guys, we are here at playground, and already we can see our first chest right here. Let's see if we can find any more. Oh yeah, and because of the pets update, they added a pet tower right here. See if we can find anything. What? What is this? Sheep? Interesting. Green sheep. Green dog. Is that a rat? Wait, it's got legs. Hold up. Oh, okay. I guess I was wrong. Something that have legs. Ah! Oh, I think there's one up here. Sorry guys, much better when I have all my tools. And cotton. Okay. Now, I think it would be easier if I just used grapple arrows and crossbows. I am Batman. Come on, guys. No. I think there might be up here. Ah! Or right there. Look, I knew there's one there. Let's go. Okay, so there's a chest right here. I think there should be a chest over there. Man. Okay, there's none. Oh, whoa. Whoa. Wait, why not? Yep, no. Yeah, there we go. I'm levitating. Alright, is there any here? Again? No way. Where are these chests? Oh, I know there's one down there. There has to be. Okay, there's none here. Come on. Aha! Right here. Hold on. Look right here, guys. You can see it's right here. You get his. And also, this is the promo code machine. That's pretty cool. So you flying. Hey, you guys want to fly? Alright, look, this is gonna be you. Whoa, that's not far. You guys go so quickly. I'm about my end. Ready? Let's go! I think there is one more here that I know of. Let's go. Man, there used to be one in here as well. It's been a while then. Ooh. Yeah. Come on, guys. Alright, let's go into the next one then. Come on. Huh? Sorry guys, I was trying to find something, but like my audio was glitching out. So yeah, but I didn't find any chests, so it was just like a boring clip, so yeah. I guess yeah, sorry guys. I guess there's none there. Let's go see if I can find any more. Yeah, but my next one's gonna be a public, and I think the last one I'm going to be doing is actually not sure. Alright, let's go. Whoa. This is different. I haven't done public in a while. Alright, let's go see if we can find any chests, guys. Okay, already there's none here. You guys fly. Okay, this is why I don't like it, because there's always so many pins. Let's see if we can find any. Over here, maybe? Nope. Maybe in that hut. No. In here? Maybe? Maybe not. Huh. Oh, I think I know where one is. Well, you should be in here. Aha! Here's one. Here. See? So here it is in the big one. The big mushroom house. Alright, come on, fly. Let me just Grab you. Oh. Ooh. You guys see that? Look. Come on, let's go. Here, fine, you can fly first person with me. Oh, that was fast. Okay. This is another chest. Ah. Alright, you're gonna fly again. Maybe in here? Huh, maybe not. You know the frog's nose? No. Oh, look, there's a frog chest. Let's see how we can get in there. Oh, I think right here. Okay, I guess it wasn't in there. Let's try check somewhere else then. Ooh, maybe in there. I think if I remember correctly. That it should be in here. Right. I'm looking for chests. Look, guys, people. Hi. Yeah. Oh. Alright, nice. Got the key. Nice. There we go. Alright, and this is how you get to the next key. And also, thanks to, I don't know what his name is. And he threw him away. Okay. Okay, that's all for this video, and thank you guys for watching. Bye! Thank you guys for watching. Sadly, I won't be able to do any public games anymore because I have figured out that people's voices are glitched in games, so yeah, I won't be able to do any more publics until I figure out how to unglitch that. But thank you guys for watching, and the next video will, or should be tomorrow, maybe because it's a Monday, but it's going to be about parkour, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!